Fat Guy Flies RC coming to you from the Avon Park Aero Models Club. Going to take up Zeus for my 4th ever flight. Have a little bit of fun. I got one gear, one to hang up where it doesn't completely close. I think maybe some of my harder grasslands just got that pushed. Got her anchor down, but she won't all the way close. And anytime you have an interruption of a sequence of a retract, it's going to stop right there. She'll open up and down reliably, but she's not going to close. So when you come by and you see one door open, that's why. Not going to stop me, but just I don't have the materials with me to repair it here. So right, left, up, down, right, left. All right, timer set for 3.5 minutes. Let me get back over here. And we'll get turned around. Got the KM model afterburner in there. Goes blue, then purple. Of course, it depends on the light and how you're looking at it. You'll say, well, it looks like it's purple all the time, or looks like it's blue all the time. It's only blue for just a split second. So, all right. Here we go. Got a 6,000 HRB. Go straight up with her. As level as I can. Braking. And hit the brakes. 2 minutes. Brakes off. All right, we're going to take off from down there to save on battery. Here we go. Gear up. Flaps up. Take her up. Gear down. Landing flaps. All right, I'm going to come by low and slow. Come by dirty. All right, everything's down. Get turned around here. Remember, you keep your fingers on those sticks. Fingers stay on that rudder in that elevator, or that rudder in that throttle. Your #1 controls, especially throttle. We're a little high, but that's all right. Line up for the runway. Turn towards the runway, keep my wings level. Braking. And that's what kills the retracts. Whenever you hit that grass too hard, too fast, because our grass is not cut for this. Our grass is just cut. And now if it was like a putting green, I wouldn't even be talking about it. All right, let me check the battery. Braking. And see if we have enough to go up one more time. Oh, there goes my audio. Right off my hat. Y'all went spinning. All right. Got to undo the afterburner. Sorry I got my butt in your face. 51%, you better believe we're going up again. Like I keep saying, all you're really doing is discharging your batteries the fun way. All right, one more. Flaps up. Prop secured. Motor on. 20 seconds. All right, here we go. 10, gear up, 9, 8, gear down, 7, 6, 5, landing flaps, 4, 3, 2, 1, time expired. Just want to make sure my gear is down. Before I make my final approach, everything's down. Turn back towards the road. All right.
Braking.
All right, that was a little softer into the grass, so not too bad. But that was a good landing there, if I say so myself. Just should have been further, closer to me.
Braking.
But I tell you, if you've had enough planes hit them power lines like I have, you try to stay far away from them as you can. I've claimed one Marlin twice and one T28 Carbon Z once in them power lines. So I like landing from the west. However, it's a shorter approach. So yeah, good with the bad. All right, let's see where we're at. Figure out why that one gear just doesn't close all the way down. And that's why that door is hanging up. Battery's nice and warm now. 33%, that's what I'm looking for. So really, 4.5 minute timer. That's what I should do. 4.5 minute timer, and that would be perfect. But that probably won't leave me much in the way of, look at that afterburner. Hold on. Burner on? I didn't plug it back in. I want y'all to get a good look at it. Yeah, I didn't plug it back in. Duh. That's why it's not working. That might be why. All right, try that again. All right. Now, if you need to do some yard maintenance and you got to discharge some battery, just take your jet outside and you can blow your yard off that way. You know, another use for RC plane. Why not? I mean, you put enough money into it, make it earn its living, right? All right, folks, thank you for watching. That is the Zeus. I absolutely am very pleased with it. Y'all have a good, and don't forget to like and subscribe. God bless y'all. And don't forget, faith, family, and friends, and then Zeus. Bye-bye.